Alright, we're about to go do a little Datalogging, go on a little cruise, get some clips. No engine or exhaust mic'd up. I just have one mic right behind here. Probably heard him hitting that right now. And then one by the seatbelt over there. We'll see what happens. Let me just tuck everything away over here. So in case you guys are interested, I do have a video on OBD Fusion, which is a mobile app. I use it on my iPhone to data log with a Bluetooth, OBD2 dongle thing connection, which is good and all, but the refresh rate was a little bit too slow. So I actually started going with a wired connection, which is what you see here, into a Windows laptop using TouchScan. If anyone's interested, I may do another video on that. The refresh rates are so much faster. I'm talking like I was seeing up to 1.5 seconds or more with OBD Fusion at times when I pulled in too many PIDs, which on this I'm seeing as low as half a second, probably 0.6 to 0.7. So 2 to 3 times as quick. Even if I'm pulling in a good amount, it's still 0.6, 0.7. It'll start pulling in the data. So that's really good. So let's head out. Hopefully the audio and everything is good, and we'll see how she sounds and feels. This keeps happening. I'm sure you guys are used to it in the 124s, but that top just keeps sagging in the back. And I gotta say, this shift knob, I did an unboxing recently. Holy crap, does it feel amazing. I was always a fan of like the knob round ball style. Had no clue if I would like this more tall style, but it's really, really, really good. I'll say this though, it's taller, so the shifts aren't as smooth, so to say. That's why a weighted heavy knob is really good. Like I have another one that's kind of round, that's heavier. But what I really like about this, the way that I like to word it, is if you're trying to really get the quickest shifts, you're doing a quarter mile, 0 to 60, etc. That round knob that sits a little bit lower, which is going to shorten the throws just a hair, and it's heavier, going to let it glide in place better. That's going to be the better knob for that. This though, just something about it adds to the driving experience. Having a knob like this, I don't know what it is, it just feels really good. It's more tactile, and it's weird that I say that because they're all tactile, you know what I mean? It's very hard to put it into words. Let's just say if you're trying to get the best times ever and trying to shift really quick, maybe the ball sitting lower, heavier is probably better. This just adds to the driving experience. Something about the way you shift with it, it could all be personal preference, I don't know, but it just feels really, really good. And that's just the only way I can do it. You got to experience it. And I do highly recommend, if you were thinking about a knob like this, but you don't know if you're going to like it, definitely try it out. It feels really damn good. Hard to put it into words. It just makes the driving experience, I don't know what it is. Something about just the way it's shaped, I don't know. So I'm going to be trying to carry the Raceseng knobs fairly soon on drivendistrict.com. I'm adding new parts, new companies and everything. And if I have a company and a part that I have tried and I really like, then that's going to be a reason for me to add it. And this is one of them that at this point now, I have like 4 shift knobs from them because I thoroughly enjoy their products. So pretty soon they'll be there. I'll have a link below, obviously, once they are live on the site, and then you guys can check it out. Great way to support the channel, support the brand by getting products that are already out there and well known. You can get them through drivendistrict.com, hopefully fairly soon. wind noise. I don't know how bad it gets at those type of speeds. And of course my little, whatever you call, the top is already hanging down in the back. I gotta see. Do you guys know, like, does Fiat warranty that? Is it under warranty or something? Because it's damn annoying. No matter what, I tuck it back and it keeps falling. I'm thinking of maybe getting like 2 magnets and putting them together so it won't interfere with the up and down when it folds, but the magnet will kind of hold it in place when it's up. That's just something I'm thinking. One thing I want to say too with this knob is, as someone who is used to, like, you know, the round style knob and shifting on top rather like this, even when I had the round one, when I was going up into third or maybe down into here, like, I will use the sides, and that's why maybe this one is just really, you know, it just feels really good. But this knob is fairly large as well, so you could shift with the top still. Oh, look, a little Fiat 500. So you could shift with the top still. Like, if I'm in third and I want to go into fourth, I can still just grab it straight from the top and shift and be totally fine with it. Just something to keep in mind. It's not like you strictly have to shift like that. Tunnel pops. So Steven, if you're watching this, I might be near Jose Tejas, which you were talking about in the last video. I'm on 46 right now. I might be give or take around that area. I forgot if I passed it or not, whatever. Should be around this area or something. If you know this area and you guys are from Jersey, then you know. Oh, there it is, Jose Tejas. I was literally just saying it. I didn't even know it was right there. Wow. So there it is, Jose Tejas. Steven, you watching this? There it is. I'm just heading to the Willowbrook Mall. So if you guys know the Willowbrook Mall, you're from Jersey, you know the area.